Hey guys, Erica with a K here. Today's video is going to be on my declutter of my project pan. I was totally offbeat. I was just clapping like a walrus, I think, and then like I don't even know, seal maybe, and then all of a sudden it was offbeat. That was so awkward. That was really awkward. Let's try this again. Today's video is going to be on the declutter of my project pan, which is something that I've been working on since 2018, I believe. And we're going into 2020, so we just got to get moving. So everything right now is in my medicine cabinet, and I'm going to be going through everything and getting rid of pretty much everything that is not cruelty free. So for 2019, I was like, hey guys, I'm cruelty free now and I'm done with the bullshit. But I was like, I'm also really frugal, so I'm not going to throw out all the stuff that I had. And I had a ton of really high-end products like MAC Cosmetics and stuff like that in my professional kit. And I was like, I'm not just going to throw it out. So I started using it in my project pan, and I just kept it on rotation for my project pan for the last year. And so now it's time to just get rid of everything. It's time. It's just time. So let's do that together. Let's do that in this medicine cabinet. We're going to see what I'm keeping and what I'm getting rid of and go from there. What else do I have to say? If you want to see this look today, it is done with all cruelty-free face makeup, not my eyes, but my face. And then my eyes are the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon Palette. It is the last time that I'm using it on my channel, so you guys can go check that out. I'll have that linked below. And also my eyelashes are my new favorite eyelashes, and I also have those linked in my affiliate link on Amazon. I hope you guys know that if you do shop through my Amazon affiliate link, it does help out my channel and it supports my efforts. So I appreciate you guys so much for doing that. Could never say it enough how much I appreciate it. Also, I'm filming on my phone today, which is something that I commonly do when I'm in my bathroom. Don't know how the echo is, and also probably really annoying because I'm not looking in the right spot. I never look in the right spot. I'm like, where do I look? I don't know where I look. But anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. So let's get into this video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, let's do it. This is my before. It's literally a full disaster of just crap. Sometimes when I open up this medicine cabinet, which is like a humongous medicine cabinet, crap falls everywhere because it's just a disaster. And I was just trying to keep all my stuff with my frugality, and I was just trying not to get rid of stuff, and now it's got to go. Okay, so this is my after. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye, guys.